Right now, an AI is writing a blog post, designing a logo, even composing music. And chances are, you can't tell the difference. Generative AI isn't just transforming industries, it's rewriting the rules of creativity itself. But here's what most people miss. This tech is equal parts revolutionary and deeply flawed. So let's cut through the hype. How does it really work? Where is it actually useful? And should you be excited or slightly terrified? Generative AI learns like a savant with a photographic memory. Show it millions of examples, every Shakespeare play, every Van Gogh painting, every Python code snippet, and it starts to remix them into something new. But there's a catch: it's not thinking, it's predicting. Take GPT-4. It's read more books than any human, so it can draft essays or even poetry. But ask it to explain quantum physics? It might sound convincing, while being completely wrong. Or stable diffusion. Train it on Renaissance art and it'll generate new masterpieces, or surreal monstrosities. The difference? Data quality. Garbage in, garbage out. Let's get practical. Where does generative AI actually deliver value today? Tools like Jasper Draft Marketing copy in minutes, but without edits you risk sounding like a robot. Meanwhile, ChatGPT can brainstorm 100 blog topics, though half might be nonsense. MidJourney V6 creates stunning concept art, but clients still demand human tweaks. The AI gave our logo tentacles. And Runway ML? It edits video by text command. Try make this sunset more dramatic. For coders, generative AI is like a hyper-caffeinated intern who never sleeps. Tools like GitHub Copilot suggest entire functions in real time. But here's the kicker: it's trained on billions of public code repos, so it knows tricks even senior devs might miss. Stuck on a bug? Describe it in plain English and Copilot might fix it. But caution, it can also hallucinate solutions. Hate writing repetitive code? AI generates SQL queries, API endpoints, even HTML templates. But always review. AI loves to hard-code passwords. Don't want to pay for Copilot? Code Llama 2, Meta's free model, handles 20+ languages. Meanwhile, StarCoder specializes in niche stacks like Fortran for your retro projects. New to coding? AI explains concepts way better than textbooks. But beware, it's too good at sounding confident. Big companies like Google use AI to review code, optimize legacy systems, even write tests. AI isn't just creative, it's life-saving. Google's MedPalm analyzes X-rays faster than doctors, while startups use AI to design drugs in weeks, not years. But would you trust an AI to diagnose your back pain? Will AI steal jobs? The data says not exactly, but it will change them. For example, AI handles grunt work, drafting, mock-ups, freeing humans for big ideas. But originality, still uniquely human. AI automates 30% of repetitive code. But complex problems? That's still your job. And the ethical minefields? Buckle up. AI clones voices so well scammers fake CEO calls, ask for a nurse, and AI still defaults to female, a CEO, male. Fixing this is harder than it looks. Who owns AI art? Courts are fighting over whether it's theft or inspiration. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI plus humans. The winners? Those who use it to amplify their skills, not replace their brains. So, will you let AI handle your busy work? Or wait until it learns to do your entire job? Agree? Disagree? Battle it out in the comments and subscribe to New Tech Explained, where we cut through tech hype, one algorithm at a time.